Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. 2-in-1 Aidacom microwave placemat and food cover mat as bowl holder, for splatter guard, multi-use, silicone trivet, pot holders, drying, baking, utensils rest for kitchen counter, gray. Perfect match microwave cover for food and multi-purpose mat 10-inch mat as bowl holder, cover as splatter guard. Not only keep your microwave clean but also prevent burns. Microwave mat allow you to fetch out food immediately after heating. No waiting, no burns. Multi-purpose microwave cover not only avoid splattering, but also can be as washing basket for vegetables and fruits. Multi-purpose mat can be as trivet, pot holder, spoon rest, utensils rest, place mat, hot pad, jar opener, coffee coaster, dish drying mat for kitchen counter, etc. Easy to use and storage microwave splatter cover for food diameter is 10.5 inch. It fits most bowls and plates. Perfect design microwave cover for food is designed with vented holes on the top. It allows the airflow to circulate inside and outside. Safety material microwave cover for food is made of PP. Thanks for watching and subscribe.